Florida's Department of Business and Professional Regulation, or DBPR, requires a specific type of credit report for an unlimited electrical license application. This report isn't just any standard credit report from the big three credit reporting agencies. It needs to be a specialized consumer report as defined under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, or FCRA. The key requirement is that the report must explicitly state that records were searched at the national, local, and state levels. This verbiage is critical for the DBPR's background check process. To obtain this specialized report, firstly, contact a consumer reporting agency, or CRA. You can reach out to any of the three major CRA, which are Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion. Inform them that you need a specialized consumer report specifically for a Florida Unlimited Electrical License application. Secondly, provide the required information. The CRA will require specific information to process your request. This typically includes your full name, social security number, date of birth, and current address. They may also ask for additional documentation to verify your identity. Be prepared to provide this information accurately and completely. Thirdly, pay the fee. There is a fee associated with obtaining a specialized consumer report. The cost can vary depending on the CRA you choose. Inquire about the fee upfront and be prepared to pay it to initiate the report generation process. Finally, review the report carefully. Once you receive the report from the CRA, carefully review it to ensure that it contains the specific statement that records were searched at the national, local, and state levels, or similar wording. If the report does not contain this statement, it will likely be rejected by the DBPR. If you encounter any issues or have questions about the report, contact the CRA directly for clarification. Here's some contact information for the three major CRA. For Equifax, you can visit their website at / This page provides information about their specialized reports and how to obtain them. For Experian, you can visit their website at / This page offers details about their specialized reports and the process for requesting one. For TransUnion, you can visit their website at / This page provides information about their specialized reports and how to order them. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind. If you have any questions or need further clarification on the credit report requirements, contact the DBPR directly. They can provide specific guidance and address any concerns you may have. You may also want to consider obtaining a certified copy of your credit report from the clerk of the county where you reside. This can serve as an additional form of verification. Keep in mind that the processing time for obtaining a specialized consumer report can vary depending on the CRA and their current workload. Plan accordingly and allow ample time for the report to be generated and delivered to you. Ensure that all the information you provide to the CRA is accurate and up to date. Any errors or inconsistencies could delay the processing of your report. If you have any discrepancies or inaccuracies on your credit report, address them with the CRA as soon as possible. This can help prevent any issues with your license application. Consider contacting all three major CRA to obtain their specialized consumer reports. This can provide a more comprehensive view of your credit history and ensure that you meet the DBPR's requirements. If you encounter any difficulties obtaining the required credit report, seek assistance from a qualified professional such as an attorney or a credit counselor. They can provide guidance and support throughout the process. Remember that meeting the credit report requirements is just one aspect of the Florida Unlimited Electrical License application process. Be sure to review all the other requirements carefully and provide all necessary documentation to the DBPR. By following these steps and tips, you can increase your chances of successfully obtaining the required specialized consumer report and fulfilling the DBPR's requirements for your Florida Unlimited Electrical License application. Remember that the DBPR's requirements are in place to ensure the safety and well-being of the public. By complying with these requirements, you are demonstrating your commitment to professionalism and ethical conduct in the electrical industry.